Usually, ang concern ng client is number one, yung location. Then pangalawa is yung pricing.
What's good thing about Prime World Enclave is it addresses these concerns very well.
Hi, my name is Edward Isguera. I'm an engineer and real estate broker of Rectoland Realty.
Hi, I'm Jonna Garcia, licensed real estate broker and owner of Red Homes Marketing and Development OPC.
Prefer talaga nila yung malapit sa essential establishments and public transport, then hindi binabaha.
The houses are built very practical and affordable, especially for a first-time home buyers. And the place is very secured, peaceful, and it's very good accessibility.
Prime World Land focus on major factors that buyers look for. Yung affordability, good location, and well-planned community amenities.
It offers comfortable, secure, and family-friendly environment. It's a community where families can grow, children can enjoy a safe space, and homeowners can feel a sense of stability and a pride in what they have achieved.
I'm Jay Bande Guzman, the President of Homeowners Association. Didescribe ko ang community ng Prime World Enclave na mapayapa, maayos, at masayang pamumuhay. Relationship ng homeowners dito is maayos, nakikinig sila sa mga rules and regulation na pinapatupad ng aming Homeowners Association. At syempre, marunong din silang makikisama at respeto sa bawat isa sa amin.
Now is the best time to invest in a home because real estate continues to grow its value over time.
We have a client din. Initially, ang plan lang talaga niya is mag-purchase ng house para sa kanyang husband na si Fader. Nagustuhan niya yung site at yung project at naisip niya na i-offer din sa mga anak niya. Sa ngayon, generating na yung mga properties na na-avail nila kasi ginagamit nila sa rental and family business. Aside from that, driving distance lang siya sa upcoming New Manila International Airport or Bulacan Airport.
At the end of the day, home is where memories are created. And here at Prime World Enclave provides the kind of environment where families can build a meaningful and secure future together.